The texture is really creamy and slightly sweet, but the smoky flavor, oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Have you ever tried Northeast Indian style black lentils recipes? If you haven't yet, let today's recipe be your first one, which is Oma Gwran Sobai Jwng. It's a traditional Bodo style smoked pork cooked with black lentils gravy, and for this dish we need smoked pork, black lentils which are roasted and rinsed, mustard oil, green chili paste, turmeric powder, garlic paste, khar, ginger paste, sliced onions and salt. Now let's start cooking. First of all, take a pressure cooker, add your soaked black lentils and 2 cups of water. Pressure cook it for up to 6 whistles. Once the pressure is completely released, open the lid, turn on the heat on a low flame, add your khar or cooking soda, stir and cook it until the lentils are completely mushy. Heat oil in a pan. Add your sliced onions. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Then add your green chili paste, ginger paste and garlic paste. Saute them together on a medium flame until the onions are golden brown. Now add your smoked pork pieces, stir them well, cover and cook it for 20 minutes. It's time to add our salt and turmeric powder. Open cook it for 10 minutes until the water has completely dried. Now transfer your black lentils gravy into the pan. Stir them well. Add additional water if required. Let them simmer for 20 to 30 minutes and ensure that you occasionally stir in between so that it does not get stuck at the bottom of your pan. And just like that, our Oma Gwran Sobai Jwng is ready. The meat is ridiculously tender and the smoky flavor from the pork has been beautifully soaked into the creamy black lentils. And please ensure that you have ample time, as only slow cooking will do all the trick, making this an extraordinary dish. I hope you have enjoyed watching this recipe. Do give it a big thumbs up. And just to let you know, I upload my cooking videos every Friday and the bonus ones on Wednesday. And now it's time for me to dig in. The texture is really creamy and slightly sweet, but the smoky flavor, oh my god. You must try it too, and I must say that this is one of the best Bodo dishes. Cheers!